Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and today I have something special for you. I am standing on the back deck of a all-new Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. Hop on board and I'll give you guys a more in-depth walkthrough. So on the back of this 290 SDX, we're going to have an upgraded horsepower package with not one, but two Mercury 250 horsepower Verados. And you're really going to notice that upgraded horsepower when you have 10 or 12 people on the boat, and you're still going to be able to get right up on plane and cruise into the sunset. So one of the most exciting things going on in the industry right now is the transformation to outboard horsepower. So when you switch to outboards, while you have this huge lounging area back here, it frees up a ton of space for storage where the inboard engine used to be. Now watch this. Come around over here. You will never have a storage problem when you have these outboards on the back. It's a win-win. So Sea Ray designed this boat with simplicity in mind also. Moving on down here, we've got a step that folds on out. Now you're ready to board from the starboard side up onto the dock. Now the biggest upgrade on a 290 is coming over here. You're going to have an area to keep all your drinks in, readily available. But most importantly, you have a sink. Whether you want to wash your hands, run water in there, possibilities are endless. Of course, plenty of seating up here also. Going to be nice and adjustable too. You got a nice sunset back there, or a nice sunrise up in front. Sit like so. So that brings me to the next point up here, the Helm station. A lot has changed over the last couple years, including a nice digital Simrad unit, touchscreen unit up front, one of my favorites, fusion head unit, and most importantly, with the twin outboards on the back, you're going to have a joystick piloting system. Takes all the stress out of docking, make anybody look like a champion at the docks. Of course, moving our way into the port side, we're going to have a very large, luxurious head down below. Something everybody can appreciate. So the first thing you guys are going to take note of up on the bow is the extensive lounging area. That's also going to double as two massive storage compartments for a couple life jackets, you name it. Also, we're going to have two Fusion speakers up here, keep the tunes cranking even all the way up on the bow. Moving all the way forward, we're going to have a windlass automatic anchor hauler. Trust me, it'll save your back. So when you think about the great combinations of the world, a few things are going to come in mind. Peanut butter and jelly. Tom Brady and Bill Belichick. And relaxation and good times along with the Sea Ray SDX series. If you guys have any further questions about this particular model or any other boats in our inventory, give me a call, come on down, and we'll get you in your next boat of your dreams. Captain Nick, MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm signing off.